ni gukoro gicokia ciuria makiri iguru rigi maabitha borithi na munyabarira wake wa wira akiaria mbere ya okana akiaria ari mbere ya kamiti no ni atariria ati ruhonge rwa thigari ni wigetete wega kumanagia na undu wothe uri ungikorwo kiyumirie guku akiuga ati ni mararumirira mitaratara iria yambikite na gutigirira ati ni makorwo magiciria keri iguru rigi gukorwo makiongerera maabitha borithi ya mishara otoria makorirwo makimerera gukire uguo Kindiki ni atariria ati maabitha borithi aria maikarite giceceni kimwe gwa mahinda kana gwa kahinda ka miaka 3 ni megukorwo magithamio gukwandu kana gukwandu aria megukorwo makionania rungathio iguru rigi uhoro uyu ni megukorwo magitacukirio makinya maruru ma kiwatho. Riboti yo gukorwo igituhingurira mutamburuko witu wa muthenya wa umuthi.
Agikinyia mbere ya memba abunge ya Senate kwihuria ciuria citiganite cigimaine na ruhonge rwa gitiri, minista wa ruhonge ruru niwe Professor Kithure Kindiki eranire ati ni agutigirira nyongerera ya ciringi 5,000 iria cianagwo kuri ruhonge rwa mbirarũ citigokorwo igicerithirio indi ni makwambika mitaratara ya gucikinyanagiria ihinda riria riagiriire.
At the moment we give them a token of 5,000 shillings a month, which has been described as inadequate, and we agree it's inadequate, but because of budgetary constraints it has not been able to review that allowance forward. We are actually fighting to have it released time yasili.
Makiria ni akorirwo akiuga ati ari ota njira imwe ya kugacirithia miturire yao ni anire kwambika mitaratara ya gutigirira ni makorwo rungu rwa ruhonge rwa NHIF niguo kumarihagira marihi ma thibitari itemi riria kumahura murigo kuona wira wao ni muritu na wi mitino mingi.
I'm a great supporter of enhanced allowances for NPRs. We are also looking at the permutations to see whether we this financial year can put the NPRs on NHIF medical cover.
Kindiki ni onekanire gutugiria ruhonge ruru no akorwo akiuga wa wira na njira njega maabitha aya maricenjagio ceceni ciao thutha wa miaka itakunyihira 3 indi akorwo akiuga aria mamirikitie kwa riu ni magucenjanio kumira ritana riri mishara yao matiko miamukira.
The police command a maximum of 60 days to make sure that all officers countrywide who have stayed for more than 3 years, not 5, must be transferred.
Gukire na uguo kiaririria uhaguku wa ugitiri na uria ica ikuhe uronekana kaunti-ini ya Lamu, minister uyu augite ati ni agutigirira thayu kaunti-ini ino na kaunti iria ingi ni wacokereria.
We will fix the situation in Lamu. The terror that is being visited on the people of Lamu is unacceptable. And before the end of this week, in the next 2 days, the Ministry of Interior is going to publish those suspects that we consider to be the chief planners and those who bear the greatest responsibility in planning, financing and orchestrating the violence that has visited Lamu County.
Ari ugitiri wa maabitha aya ari na njira imwe ya kumanyihiria mitino. Kindiki augite ati ni maiyithitie hari matharaita ma kiriu niguo kumahotithia kung'ethanira na athararia a thayu bururi-ini.
Casualties are part of the issue, but we'll minimize them going forward. Better equipment, which includes air equipment or air assets, personal protection equipment, and also the increasing use of unarmed vehicles, aerial vehicles, UAVs, commonly known as drones, to minimize physical contact.
Adwini Hamutingi TV, Jitaru Maina, wa Mushe.
Gatho cia mwanya mundu witwo ti Maina.